Hello everyone, this is Ari from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Little Ear Doctor to your Samsung Galaxy Note 2 or any other Android phone. For this, you need to unlock your phone. After that, hit Apps. At Apps, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please do that and come back here again. Here you have three options: apps, games and books. Hit at apps. At apps, you have so many options: home, top page, top free. Hit at top free, and you have to drag a bit. As you see, Little Ear Doctor. If you not find as this, hit the searching option, type the name of the game, download and install. Hit now. Hit for install. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's only 10.97 megabyte. You have to wait a bit. Is done. Is giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not gonna open from here. I will hit home on menu button. After that, I will hit apps. I will drag. As you see, Little Ear Doctor. Hit this one. Okay, at the middle, I think for play, hit this one. This is one ad. Close this. I'm gonna tap the first one. Okay. So many dirty things inside the ear. Some insects. Terrible. Cut some hair from the corner. Okay. This I don't know how to. This one I don't know. Okay, some driller sort of thing, or I don't know exactly what. This one, take the dirty out. This one for cut the insects. After that, as you see, a good practice for children. Finally, this one for clean. Click this button. More tools you have. One injection. Okay, I think I clean all. It's perfect. I not see nothing else. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, this is all, my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I'll try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.